Alright guys, I know I said I didn't need batteries, but fuck diesels. I need batteries. It was dead. Again. The thing can't make its mind up. It's dead. Oh, what is this? P-stroke, another one. What's going on? Oh. Another P-stroke. But yeah, it's annoying. We got her fired up. So today, guys, we're going to clean this thing out because it's very, very disgusting. Look at this. Look at this. Very, very greasy in this thing. And we're going to the hauler with it. We're gonna have a bunch of people in it and a bunch of shit, and I don't want it to be gross because it's like heavy equipment and just oily and disgusting. So we're gonna take this wood out and probably pressure wash all of this out. I don't know about the headliner yet. I might keep that. But when we get to the shop, we'll show you what we're gonna do to it. Oh, it's wide. Oh, dude, nowhere to go. Oh, damn. I get used to the extended van life, dude. It's so weird. It drives so good, though. You get it? Yep. Cool. All right, guys. We're now at Cody's shop where the $6,000 steam cleaner is. That'll make this thing look amazing. And the first step of the process is taking this wicked oil-soaked wood out is the first step. So we're doing that now. A bunch of screws holding it in. Oh, he just shit his pants. That's nice. We got the vacuum. We're gonna vacuum it, steam clean it, and make this thing look hopefully like brand new because she's really nice on the outside, cleaned up nice. The door panels are still a little bit dirty. I have a new seat cover in. I'm gonna take this off the steam cleaner so this new seat cover doesn't get dirty, but yeah, the van's coming along for sure. The couch.
See, it'll just come out.
Probably like one left here. Oh, I just sneezed.
Would you send it through?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, we got the loader.
Oh, it goes through the wood.
Yeah,
The wires go through it.
Yeah. Got the wires.
Loader bucket.
Huh?
I'm gonna bring the loader over to throw all the wood in the loader bucket.
No, I might clean the wood and put it back in. I don't know yet.
You're not cleaning that wood.
John.
I'm still going for that approach.
Why?
Because it's already cut to shape.
Dude, it's a
4x8 case.
We'll see, Cody. We'll
Size.
see. We'll see.
We could actually make it look professional too if we did. This is junk.
Yeah, we could cut the arches out.
How many more left?
Dude, you could use a
They're
jigsaw
gone.
and fucking, it'd be beautiful.
Yeah, I got jigsaw.
Get that one out of there, Justin.
I got mint jigsaw.
It's not that, dude.
No.
It's,
You gotta lift it up. It's free.
no, I see it. I see it. It's one leg right. There's one. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Lift it out and just walk out with it.
Touch this fucking thing.
Well, get it over that so I'm not ripping his edge out.
Yeah, use your hands, Cody. What are you doing?
Touch this fucking thing.
You need to grab it. You can't slide it. Pick it up.
And you grab it.
I have the camera.
Fucking issues. Just strap a GoPro. I don't wanna hear it.
How's the floor looking? Nice and greasy?
Yeah, what you need.
It's all undercoated.
It's all nice and oily. A little tender right here. Not bad though. Greasy. Not bad though, considering.
Yeah.
We have all the wood out. Very greasy, as imagined. Big hot piles. That's not even really rust, we don't know. It's just like it's a weird like part of the floor, I think. But all the wood's out. I'm gonna vacuum it and then we're gonna steam clean the shit out of it. There's just puddles, swamps of grease in this thing. You like it, Justin? Greasy. Look at this. It's just like there's this layer. It's so satisfying though. What was that? You see how big that thing was? It's like you just like go underneath this thing and like it's like big. Snapping in the tank, huh? Going in. Is that welding rod?
Yeah, it is.
We don't need that. There's so many nuts that I could probably use out of this thing, but is it worth my time to pick them all up? No.
Alright, we got the van all vacuumed out of all its debris, but now it's time for the degreasing stage. Just kind of give you a little So, John's mixing up the formula.
Well, this just is honestly, it says it's like car detail. It's like super degreaser.
Yeah.
So this stuff should work good.
Well, can we test it on my finger?
I don't think yeah, fuck it.
Oh. Alright, get the rag.
Yeah, it's like a charm. That's the true test. So I'm just gonna go to town with this stuff. It pretty much needs the full effect.
When it's soaked. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's definitely breaking it down. Yep, getting everything. It's gonna need a lot.
I know, we're gonna do...
Oh, don't want to like actually... Modules, you know, we don't know how much they like water.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah,
just
it
like
just drools
running
off.
down.
It's gonna look so much better.
Absolutely.
You gotta get the full pump in. So yeah, probably might not be great to breathe it in.
Nope.
Oh, Cody's drill probably should have.
That needs a degreasing. I'm getting out.
Go for it.
Oh, it's just gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it around. Didn't think about that.
All the cuck water just wants to...
I have to turn it around because I didn't think about the math of it going down.
We didn't do the addition on it. The mathematics. Turn it around. Be right back with you.
Alright, let's do it again. Stick in there. I'm just gonna go in the
I'm
driveway.
just trying not to get soaked.
A little water.
I mean, it's a little chilly out. I don't want to get moist.
Already looks 1,000 times better.
Oh yeah.
It's a stream of scuffing.
Progress, baby. Getting all that gunk out. Things look so shiny already. Never do car stuff on an empty stomach.
That's good. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna bring you for a walk around the old van because it's pretty clean now. Hell yeah. Way nicer than it was before. I had the seats covered. I'm gonna obviously try to, the seats are still a little bit disgusting up there, but I have seat covers and I'm gonna do the front and like actually go through it and clean it like with some nice detergents. The door panels up front and whatnot because they're still disgusting. But I can't use the pressure washer for that. Looking really nice though, really nice. It's gonna dry out. I left the headliner in. I tried to pressure wash the heavy greasiness that was right there. I don't know what that is. Maybe something, looks like something burnt it. Maybe an exhaust or something. I don't know. Maybe a generator. Because it was a mechanic's van. I don't know. But it's looking good, guys. Really good. I'm so happy. The hollow's coming up. Van's good. Steps are being made, guys. But that's all for today. The van is beautiful. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.